Okay, so I am giving a test describe over here, same like above one. So I will be creating for login page. I am creating a for login page. So test describe is the basically that main test suite. Okay, so I am creating the test suite for login page. Okay, so let's see. Now let me create the first test case for successful login. Okay, so I go over here, test. I give TC01. Okay, this is the first test case I am creating. This is the first test case I am. So what I have to do, I have to send now see, I have to send username and password into login page. If you see login page, I will it require two things, user and password. Now I will send user and password and it will automatically fill this user and password and click on button. So what I do over here. So now I need user and password. So from where I will get the user and password, I will get from test data. Okay. I will get it from here. I have already imported our test data. Okay. Simple. So now what I do, go to await, login page, login, test data, valid, user, comma, test data, comma. I am sending value username and password. Okay. Simple. It will go and it will perform. Now, as soon as it will come out, I will verify whether we are on the current page or not, correct page or not. So how can I do if you go over here, if you log in, so it will show inventory.html. So I will check whether the URL has inventory.html or not. So go over here, give await, expect, read, we have URL start inventory. Well, okay. You run. I am not running. This is the first test case I have to write 20 test cases. I will write 20 test cases, five for each page. So now suppose I give with invalid username, invalid credential, that is invalid username and password. Okay, I write another test case. Okay, this is the test case I am creating for invalid username and password. Same thing I will do. I will send it, but it will show me error message. So what I will do, await, login, page, dot, login, test data, invalid user, use some wrong password. Wrong. I'm giving any wrong path. Okay. See, invalid data we already have. If you go over here, I already have invalid. Okay. Give the wrong password. Now, so I will check in login page. You can see there is a locator error message. So this error message should be visible. So what I do, I go outside it. So we already have that locator now. If I give invalid username, So this error should come. Okay, I will give two expect us here. So go over here and give await fact login to error message dot to be visible. Error message to should be visible. Right? And what should be the error message? This should be the error message. Username password does not match. It should have distance. Okay, any service I am not concerned about it. It should have distance. Await fact login page dot error message dot to have text. Fine. So these are the two test cases. Now suppose I goes and login with logged user. So this is the logged user. Remember yesterday we created for logged user also. It should show, it should show this error. Okay. So if you go over here, so we already have logged user. Okay. What can we create? We can create a test case for logged user also. So this is the third test case which I am going to create. So now I will send with valid. I will send the same thing, but with logged user. So send with. Okay. So here also again error message should be visible, but this time error message should be something else. Okay, it should be there. Fine. Three test cases we have created. Now, next let's create. If I I don't put username. I only put password. Sorry, I don't put password. Empty password. Empty password. If I would go with here, put empty password. It should password is required. Okay. So I go over here, create another test case. Now, just I fill directly over here. So that is, I am putting directly by you. No, wait. Because we need password here, I am not filling. Login page, dot username, user input field, I am filling with. I am, okay, test. Now, now let's click on login button. Wait. Okay, and it should show error message as this one. Okay, it should have to have text this error message. So four test cases I have created. Now let's check. See if I'm here, I don't put anything. So this, if I open this site on some else, wait, I put it on some other browser. So it is a placeholder of username and password. There is a placeholder you can see, username and password. So let's create a test case. So we have a placeholder, password, we have a placeholder, username. So let me check, do we have a placeholder values for username and password? So go over here, create a new test case. So wait, okay, I am putting placeholder username. In the same way, we should check whether we have a placeholder password or not. So these are the five test cases I created. I will run everything at the end. Okay. Please create these five test cases. After that, I will create five test cases for our inventory. I will create total 20 test cases. Okay, write it down. I'm giving 5 to 10 minutes to you. We will start at 2:30. Next five test cases. Write down. Okay, guys. So next five test cases. Now I will take for inventory catalog page. Five test cases. If I go into it, log in. Okay, this is our inventory control page. So what I have to verify? So every time I have to call login page for this. So I can create. So first of all, let me create a describe module to inventory capture. See what I am doing. Okay. I create a describe. Okay. Over here, what I do, I give. Now every time I have to go in a login. I have to go in a login. Fine, guys. Every time. So I create a test for each. For each means for every test case, it will do a login. So I can create test dot before each issue date login page dot login. Yes, same above one we will call. Okay, this one. So to keep the test data as well. Okay. Now let's me verify the header product. We already have the header information over here. If you see, I already have taken everything for this inventory page. Page titles. Okay, it should be visible and should have text as product. Okay, let me create a test case for it. Now page title should be visible. Okay, I can give and it should have product. So two case things I can verify it. So await, expect, and page title should be visible. And it should have text as product. So this is one text case I can create. So go over here, await, expect, and it should have product. First section. Now, now we have a function add to product. Okay, with this one. So add to product, it will click automatically. I will send the product name. So we already have the product name over here. If you check, okay, so I can send this directly and I will check cart, cart badge. So if you go over here, inventory, so I need to create a cart badge here. A new, I will create a new variable. Don't worry. So let's create this test case. So I go here, I await inventory product page dot add to every Function we have already created. We are just implementing test data. Under test data, we have products. We have one more. Remember, we have this thing. So we have a product. Make it as products. Okay. So we have products over here. Under that, we have this. So in the same way, I will create it as products. Test data dot products dot. Now I want to make cart batch. Okay, we have not created cart batch. So I will create a read only one more variable. Go to here, create one more variable that is cart batch. Cart batch. Okay. Let's give it as this dot hardware equal to page dot locator. Let's check it out. What is cart batch? So if I click over add to cart, this will become one. Okay. So this is basically the cart batch. If I check, we have a class known as shopping cart batch. I forgot it that time. Okay. I am putting it now. So you will just write it class name. So I give it dot. Okay. Got it. Check my videos. Do it now also. It will be very helpful. Might be, see, these things are first time in the life. So it becomes quite heavy. Okay. But don't worry. You have to make it a habit. See, AI will do these things. You don't have to worry. Okay. But the thing is that to clear the interview, they will say you can't use it. AI. But that time we are learning these things. Okay. And even in project also, we should know where we have to implement the wait, expect, inventory page, dot, hardware. Should be one now. Okay. You have that error. One. Now next page. Now let's remove. Let's click on remove. Okay. Go over here. Await. Inventory page. Dot. Add to product. Card. Okay. I am again adding a element. Okay. Because see, it will become zero, then I cannot go further. So we have to add dash data. Dot products. Dot backpack. Okay. Now I want to remove it. Await. Inventory page. Dot. Now we already have a function remove. And what I have to remove again dash is dash data dot product dot back. Okay, which we have added. Now it should not verify this card badge. It should not have any text. It should not have any text. Okay, so I can give card badge dot not. Okay, this will actually not be visible. Right? Fine, guys. These are the tests. Now, so now if I do multiple selections, now I've do multiple selections, it should become two. Okay. Or it may become three also, so it will fail. If it become three, it will fail. No issues. Okay. So because one is already added here. So if I go over here, so let's do multiple selection. So what I do, add to product this one. And add to product this one. and it should have not two. Okay? If it is not starting fresh, it will have three. Okay, so let's try with two. It is same versus. And let's click on. So we have done with nine test cases. 10th test case, let me make it as for logout. Okay, let's log out. So I go ahead. That's it. So what can we do here? I can just go and click log. Okay. Then this URL will come again. Okay. These are the five test cases of our inventory rules. Guys, write it out. Okay. Okay, guys, next 5 cases. Okay, we are done for inventory. Right. Now let's start from shopping cart. So here also I will take it in the same way. We will do the login. I'm taking here all these things only. Same. Module 3. It will be shopping cart. Okay. Let's navigate to this page. After you log in, we need to navigate on this page. Okay. So how can we navigate? If you go over here, so to navigate, what you have to do, you have to inventory page, open cart. This here you have to click. So if I check the inventory page, if you go in your code, so open cart is just to click on it. Okay. So let's go and click on it. So I go over here in this test case, give await inventory page dot open. Every function is there now. Okay. Click on it. After that, if you click on it, I am expecting cart slash cart. Okay. Then it will be verified. Fine. I can give await expect. Okay. Page to have URL cart.stitch. Good. So this is one of the test case I can have. Fine. Next. So when I open this page, then it should have cart count as 1. Okay. The total cart item should be 1. Okay. So if you check it out, if I go in our code, inventory, fine, you can see I have taken something known as, I open it. Suppose I just add to cart. Okay. And I check the, just a second, let me show you the case. Cart inventory item should be 1, like this, which we have. So how I have to do it? Just check it out how I have to do it. Okay. Go over your test case. Fine. Go over your test case. Give the comments. Yes. Anyone, any comments you want. Go over your test case. Let's first of all go to inventory page, add to product. Okay. So inventory page, I will go to our inventory page. Okay. I will add a product. Okay. Then I will open the cart. And after that, on the cart page, I will check it out that it should have cart items. Okay. So we have already have cart items. Okay. So these cart items should be 1. Okay. So what I do, go to your inventory. Okay. Add a product. First of all, add a product. Right. I added a backpack. Okay. Then click on open cart. So inventory page, click on open cart. All code is there. Now copy paste it. See, once the framework is ready, you have to do is copy paste. And after that, its cart item should be 1. Await. expect card page dot card item or you have found. Fine. This is the second test case. Let me check. I can remove it also. Let me try with remove button also. I can click on remove button also. Okay. So create a test case for remove button also. Await. I can do same thing. Same thing. Just here give the remove. I am copying the workload. 3 lines. Okay. And paste this. Give card page. Dot click. Okay. We have one thing known as continue shopping also. Let's click on this button also and check out also. So two more test cases for clicking on continue shopping. Go over here, give await, inventory page, dot click on open card. Okay. Here give await card card page dot click continue shopping. Okay. Fine. Await fact page. We have URL. Okay. If I go with continue shopping, it will ask URL as event. Okay. This 14 test case. 15th test case can be check out. If I click on check out. Okay. So for that open card you can and you can this code will remain same. Okay. Right. Now let's click on checkout. So we already have function for it also. Every function is there. And if I click on checkout, so this should be it should have this thing. Okay, let's verify this thing also. Await back page dot have URL. Okay, fine. So these are the 15 test cases which we can make for it. Okay, guys, make it. Then we will have a checkout page. I will create 5 more test cases for it. Don't worry. Okay, make it. Yeah. See, this is how the framework grows. Have you ever time? No issues. Right.
Hey, Abhinav, Anup here. I need to drop off, uncle, so let me sync up with you later.
Okay, guys, let's create the checkout page process. This is the last suit which I am creating. After that, I will run it. Okay, let me create a before test. So for before test for checkout, what I have to do? I need to log in. I need to log in. Okay. After that, I have to go to open cart and I have to click on checkout. Okay. Add to product, open cart. And so this is the same steps I am taking from upside of the code. Okay. Adding product and all this thing. Okay. And after that, we will check out. We'll click on checkout. Alright. Cart, page. Cart. Okay. Now, when I click on checkout, I need to fill all this information. Okay. I will directly take it from test data. Okay. Username, password, and postal code. Fine. So I need to fill this data. One test case is complete. The first test case. Sorry. Now we are writing the first test case. 16th on. Now I want to fill the values. Update. Checkout page. Dot last name input. Okay. Dot fill. Test data. Dot customer details. Dot last one. Okay. Fill this. Same way. Fill the uh, postal code. We have first name also. I will fill first name also. Fill first name also. And once you fill it, you click on continue button. So I will click on continue button. Okay. Await checkout page. Dot continue button. Okay. Dot. Now once you click, so it should expect a test. Okay. It should be on this page. We already have code for it. Okay. Wait. I did some wrong. Okay. Okay. Now see, this test case I am actually making for say missing username. Suppose username is missing, first name is missing. If I continue, so error should come. So let's convert this to that test case. Okay. So I am giving here missing username. So I am removing first name. Now, if you have this, then it should show me a error. So how can I check it? So just give it await expect checkout page dot page dot locator. Okay. So what is this? Let's inspect it. So it is data set error. Okay. And what should be the text? So it will be data set error. And it should have text as this one. First name required. Okay. So I can give dot to have text name. So this is the one test case I have to do. Okay. Now suppose I fill all the information. I fill all the information. Then what should be the output? So it should show me checkout step to HTML. Okay, that will be the next test case. If I go over here, I put all this information and it should be this. So I take this test case only. This test. Okay, I am filling the complete information. So at the end, what we will have? URL as. So I will give here await. This should have await spec checkout page dot no spec page. But page is not coming. Okay, okay. Do one thing. We have a page over here. Page dot to have a URL and this will be okay. Fine. So this is another test case. Now, if I go over here, I fill the information, so it should have a total. And I am putting that total should be dollar. I don't know what will the price, so I'm just checking till here. Total should have dollar. Okay. Financial calculation I have seen. 18 test case. I am filling the form. Okay. Customer details and all this thing. And here I give, this is the same thing which we just did outside. We already have a function. See, to fill all the information. All let me this. It should be zero total summary total label is there. See, if you go over here, so we have a summary total label. It should be visible. We have already seen this opening. If you haven't seen, please check tomorrow's class. If I go over here, I will check, await, expect, check out, page, dot, summary total label, dot, to, read. Okay. Now it should contain dollar. If you see, it is having a dollar. So take it like this, and it should contain dollar. So I can give await, back, checkout page, dot, summary total, dot, contain. Okay. So this is one of the test cases. Fine. Now if I click on finish over here, okay, then it should show me. It should show me thank you for your order. Okay, text should come. So we will have the same line till click finish, and after that I will verify it. It will be the test case 19. Same thing. Just we are clicking on finish. Now go on this page. Okay, checkout page and check the header. So if you check it out here, so we have already complete header. I already extracted this thing. So wait. That, okay, fine. Okay, let's complete it. 19 test cases are enough. Okay, guys, let's mark it as complete. So we have git ignore, package log session. Okay, playwright cover. Let's me try to run this test case. Let me try to run this test case and see how it works. Okay, guys, our framework is complete. Everything is finished. Let's now go over here and give. We have 19 test cases. You can add one more also. I will add it. Let I will add it. Three C followed as e-commerce. Let's check it. Hmm. I am added the 20th test case. Don't worry. Check it out. Let me run it. I will supply the URL. So it's also test. That's the warehouse. Oh, sorry. So go to your site, login page, go to, okay. Wait one more minute. Wait one more minute. I'm doing one thing. Control C. See, go over here. So Control C. That is 60 test cases. See, it is running on three. I don't want it to run all these three. So I'm commenting it on. Okay, that's why it is showing 60 cases. I'm commenting it on. Okay, I want only on one browser. That is fine. Okay, just run it. See, 20 test cases. Now it's so it is so fast. It is working. Let's check it out. How many passes and how many fails. We'll check it out if anything fails. Don't worry. Failure is also a good thing. Okay. That is your responsibility to check it out which fails. Don't worry. We'll check it. Because we haven't run this test case. We are running at the end. That's why things are failing. Don't worry. So 13 test cases passed. Total about 13 test cases passed. And these are the test cases which failed. These are the test cases which failed. Okay. So if you see module 2, okay, 6 test case. You can check it out. 6 test case failed. So here we are verifying. So we are verifying here landing page header. We are verifying landing page here. If I go and log in here, okay, this might be a timeout issue. This title products, check it out. Look at the title. So it is class, guys. What I did, I forgot to give dot here. So these are the mistakes. Okay, this is the mistake I done here. Fine. Next test. Let's run it out this test case and see is it working fine or not. Okay, just a second. We have checked it. This failed. And after that, which test case failed? Test case 11. This page. So here we are going on the page. Open the card. So we open it. Here. It received this value and we are expecting this value. Okay. So the best way is to write star, star like this. Or give full value also. You can give the full value also. You can give the full value. Okay. There was another test case which failed. Another was this. This is also related to this. Okay. 14th test case. Okay. After 14th, we have 15th. 15th test case. This is also the same. After 15th, 17th test case. This is also same. URL issues over. You can put star also, but I am giving it as it is. And what is the last test case? This is scaling. This is your which test case? 20. Let's run out. Now no test case should fail. Okay. Let's save it. Control C. Okay. Let's see. Hope for the best. First passed, second passed, third passed, fourth passed, fifth passed, sixth passed, seventh passed, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Last I think failed. Don't worry, no issues. No issues. One test case failed. No issues. Let it fail only. I don't care. Because I am putting that dash, it is not there. Okay, I have made it. I will, if we remove this, it will work fine. Right? I have strongly I put it that dash here. So these are the total framework I have created. Now suppose any test case failed. And I want its image should be photograph should be taken. What I want its photograph should be taken. Okay, so how can I take it? So just go to your this one, rewrite config.ts. Here trace is there. Trace is fine. Put a screenshot also and video also. So you put these two things. Okay, check it out. Screenshot and video. So it will take your screenshot also and video also. So now let's me I deliberately fail the test case. So I go over here. On failure it will take a screenshot, on failure it will take a video. So I go over here. I deliberately fail the test case. I make it as order that. Again I fail it. Okay. Now let's run it. So manual testing is dead. Now I don't want to do manual testing on this stuff. Automation is done. I will ask the owner of this site. Okay, so one test case failed. And these are last test case. So I'm just showing you one test case failed. And this one. Now you can see if you go over here, it will show you the image. This is the page which failed. If you want, you can see the video also. That is showing you the video also. Got it, guys? Got it, guys? You need to practice. You need to create your film. I am giving this code in group. Work on it. Any question, anyone else? Any question? Okay, guys.
Yes, yes, yes.